What's up guys, let's make turkey meatloaf. Okay, so over here I have some red skin potatoes about to boil. I just put those in and I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes with that. I got my ground turkey in the bowl. Also chop up your garlic and bell pepper because we're gonna saute this before we throw it in.
Alexa, send this song to Sam.
Okay, now I'm just cleaning and cutting my green beans, and once you saute your veggies, go ahead and add it to your turkey. Now I'm adding black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and salt, a lot of salt. Make it good, season it good. Now I'm adding Italian seasoning, and I like to add smoked paprika and a little bit of regular paprika for color. I like my turkey to look well seasoned and not brown. And then I add parsley, a little bit of red pepper flakes, and I like to add a little bit of Parmesan just because I don't like too much breadcrumbs, so it won't be like high carb. 2 eggs, and then as you can see, a little bit of breadcrumbs. And then I always add a little bit of half and half or milk because that's going to help keep it nice and moist. And then obviously ketchup, a little bit of that. And then once that's done, mix it all together and form it together like a little loaf. And then throw that in the oven at 350. Keep an eye on your turkey because depending on how big your loaf is how long you want to put it in. I put mine in about 30 minutes. And also after we put the glaze, we're going to broil it in the oven again. So don't forget about that. Saute your green beans with some good seasonings. And then here I am putting some garlic, salt, pepper, and a little bit of cream into my mashed potatoes, butter, and some chopped cheese as well. And just mix it all together. A little bit of smoked paprika for flavor and color. And then look how delicious. I love red potatoes, you guys. Now for the glaze, I'm just going to be using Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, and brown sugar. And you just want to make as much glaze as your heart desires. And then after you take it out the oven, go ahead and glaze your meatloaf really, really well. And then we're going to put it back in the oven at about 500 to broil until it just kind of glazes over. You can wait till it starts bubbling up, and then that's how you know. Some people like to do it a little bit more like browned or like burnt at the top, but yeah, however you want to do it, do it. Okay, so now this is going to go in the oven, and whenever it comes out, it should be just like nice and bubbly. And then you could top it with fresh parsley, but I didn't have fresh parsley, so that's gonna have to do. And then I'm just cutting it up, you guys. I don't like ground beef, but I do love me some ground turkey, and this is like so good and juicy, and I would much rather eat this than like red meat any day. So look how good this looks. It is just amazing. It came out so moist, so yummy. Mashed potatoes were perfect, green beans were tender and perfect. I enjoyed this, and so did my boyfriend. So if you guys want to make this, go ahead and do it. Okay, love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh, and this is a plate at the end. Delish. All right, good night. Goodbye.